Hello and welcome back to the series of WhatsApp integration modules by Tech Ultra Solutions. Today, we are diving into a game-changing module which is Odoo WhatsApp Chatbot. This module allows users to communicate with the customers through a chatbot using a preset scripts. It's a revolutionary way to engage with the customers effortlessly. So let's explore how we can do it. So here you have to go to the WhatsApp message and in the configuration part you have to select WhatsApp chatbot. So open this and here is the different chatbot scripts. So go to the interactive template and here in the internal link of the WhatsApp template you have to go to the component section and here in the interactive one you have to select the list. So we have selected these three lists and we have saved it. After that, here you can add the dynamic and interactive templates and can also perform an action. So for that, go to actions. And here I am creating an action. So name the action. I am adding the name as create helpdesk ticket. And after that, in that action, you have to select a model. So I am adding the save. So save this and here in the CRM lead, we have to add the model lead opportunity and save it. After that, we have to go to operators and here you have to add the operators from your users. So I am adding Mr. Admin, my user as an operator. So this operator is used whenever a customer selects the option to talk to an agent. So now we will activate the WhatsApp chatbot, and for that you have to go to settings, and in WhatsApp settings you have to select the WhatsApp chatbot and save this setting. So now we will see how our chatbot works. So for that I am sending a message as hello, and here you can see the chatbot has replied to that message. So click on options and here we can see the three options. So go to the first option which is new registration. After clicking this here you can see a message has been given that your lead have been created successfully. So go to discuss and here in the CRM in the lead section here you can see the lead has been created. So open that lead and here you can see the lead is created with the mobile number and the chatbot. So now we will see how to create a ticket. For that, go to WhatsApp message and go to WhatsApp chatbot in the configuration. And here in the script section, we can edit an action. So I am editing it to create a help desk ticket and saving this action. After that, you have to go to the discuss module and here in the WhatsApp, I am sending a hello and here you can see the chatbot has given its reply. So go to options and select get help with a problem. After that, you have to go to the menu and select the product. So I'm selecting AC and here I'm selecting the type as window AC. After that, I'm selecting no cooling as an issue. So whenever the script is not linked to the option, or the chatbot sends the first message. So I am selecting now water leakage as an issue, and here you can see the script has been linked to this option. So the raise issue option has been came. So I'm selecting raise issue, and here you can see the ticket has been created successfully. So after that, I'm going to help desk in the discuss module and here you have to go to the tickets menu and here you can see the ticket has been created. So now we will see how we can change a value in interactive template on real-time basis. For that, I am sending a hello and here the reply has been came from chatbot. So in options, here you can see these three options for now. So for to change these options, we will now go to discuss and here you have to select WhatsApp message. Go to WhatsApp chatbot in the configuration part and here in the script section, open the interactive template internal link. And here in the component section, go to interactive part and here in the options, here we have to edit one of the option and change it to other. So I am editing this one and writing here as create a ticket. So in this way, we can change the value on real-time basis, and this change is not needed to be approved from the meta side. After that, save all the data and click on the save button. After that, to see this, I'm again sending a hello from the WhatsApp. And here the message from chatbot has arrived. And here in the options, you can see the create ticket option. So now we will see another option of the chatbot. So I'm again sending a hello from WhatsApp, and here is the reply from the chatbot. So I'll go to options and I'm selecting talk to our agent this time. So the agent has been assigned, and here the messages. You are now chatting with Mark Demo. So in discuss mode, I have already logged into the Mark Demo account, and here you can see the message from the admin is here on the screen. So now we can see we have already added Mark Demo as an agent. So I am sending a message of hello from here. And on the WhatsApp side, the message from the agent, which is Mark Demo, has been given. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned.